For now, please sit back, relax and enjoy your flight. I'd like to remind you that this is a non-smoking flight. A replacement product on board for the smokers though is called smokeless cigarettes by Simila. They can be smoked anywhere. Smoking usually is forbidden. That includes aircraft. You smoke them at airports, in pubs, offices, restaurants. It's because you're not lighting that means there's no smoke involved. That means there's no passive smoking for anybody around you. They last longer than normal cigarettes as well because you're not lighting them. They're generally designed to ease you craving, meaning you stuck somewhere you can't smoke for a while. If you want any more input to the product, please contact Neil as he's passing through the cabin. And as I've just mentioned, we carry a wide range of hot food, which takes about 10 to 15 minutes in the ovens to be cooked. So if you want to pre-order any of the hot food available, that's cheeseburgers, pepperoni, pizza slices, hot paninis with either cheese and tomato, ham and cheese, or steak and cheese, and our breakfast bar, please also contact Neil as he's now passing through the cabin. Thank you.